In the fast-paced world of garment manufacturing and exports, chaos isn't just costly, it's your biggest competitor. Disconnected teams, fabric shortages, inefficient production schedules, and last-minute shipment scrambles threaten your reputation daily. But what if you could transform that chaos into control? Codeverse ERP is built exclusively for apparel makers and exporters like you. Automate compliance workflows, track shipments in real time across borders, and slash fabric waste with precision, all while hitting 95% on-time delivery rates, even for complex international orders. Picture this: a unified dashboard managing orders, optimizing multi-location inventory, and syncing with IoT-enabled machines to prevent production bottlenecks. No more missed deadlines or workflow headaches. Create region-specific catalogs, auto-generate export docs, and track payments, all while syncing seamlessly with your e-commerce platforms. With analytics tailored for exporters, predict demand spikes, navigate tariffs, and tighten supply chains. Join 500+ manufacturers and exporters who've turned Codeverse into their secret weapon for scaling profitably. Stop losing sleep over delays and defects. Claim your free demo today and redefine what's possible for your apparel business, your team, and your global clients.